how to get the free keys in the Hamster Kombat game without playing the game. Watch the video until end. I will show the app to get free keys. In here you can see in my Hamster Kombat game I have 18 keys. I have collected each keys in the game. Watch the till video end. This is the app I was using. In here you can see I am generating the keys for the tweak race trading game. Let's try it if it works. I will continue the video after the 100% complete. In here you can see how successfully tweak race redeem codes have been generated. Let's try one by one. Tweak race, we will paste the code. It is a success. I got the key. Then we try the other key. It is also a success. Let's move to the other key. It is also a success. Then move to the other key. All the 4 keys were success. Like that. You can collect more keys in the game one by one. In here you can see Hamster Kombat. I have now 22 keys. I have collected all these. There are a lot of games adding one by one. Please join the Telegram channel to get more details. I will show the bot I have used to generate the keys. This is the Hamster Tools key generator bot. You can find in the Telegram app link in the video description or the join the Telegram channel. I will list this bot details. Like and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for future videos. Thank you.